Hey boos, have you had your coffee yet? Happy International Me Day. I'm just kidding. Happy International Coffee Day. I hope you guys celebrated with me. Como yay, how are you guys doing? So in this video, we are doing a budget toddler closet makeover. Talking about like around $100. My friends Rachael and Lucas contacted me and they were like, you got us? And I was like, yeah. Hey you, yeah you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. I won't hold you guys for much longer. Let's get right into the video. Bow. Hey boos, voiceover time. Okay, so this is the closet we're working with. It's a very spacious closet. It's a walk-in. It gives us a lot of room to work with. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take out everything in here. Let's get it. And just like that, it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all those shelves here so we can have a fresh space to work with. Here I go. Oop. This is the brand of spackle that I use. Go ahead and spackle over all the little nail holes from the previous shelving system. It goes on pink, but once it dries, it's white. I love to spackle. It's so fun and colorful. I took measurement of Lillian's closet, and the first thing I always like to do is to make a basic sketch so that I can figure out exactly what I'm doing. My drawing skills aren't the best, but it's a good idea to always plan out what you're doing so that you have a basic guideline. Don't judge my hashy hands, y'all. This is the reality of a DIY person's hands. Here's a close-up of what I'm going to do. I'm going to do rows on each side, some shelves, and these are the measurements of that one wall of a closet. We decided to go to Amazon for some cubbies. We didn't have time, y'all, so it was perfect to do a prime delivery. This is a decent size, and it comes in different colors if you guys want to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Add to cart. Hey boos! So I am at Home Depot, and I'm wondering if I should do a Home Depot montage. Should I do it? Let's do it.
Thank you.
10 o'clock, fiending for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They like, smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. Yeah, you can't rock with us. I can't rock.
We just got 50% off of those shelves. So technically we didn't really spend $130 on our closet. Anyways, our cubbies are here, yay! So here I am putting it all together. Let's add some music. Okay, so we are all done. That took longer than it should have. So because these are two separate pieces, I'm going to go ahead and screw them together so that they are sturdier. And now I'm measuring the distance to make sure it's okay. Say hi to the people. Oh. Rude. I found a yo-yo. I'm not really good at yo-yoing, so let's see. Isn't it supposed to come back? I like to use a hanger to measure out the distance that the rod has to be from the wall. Oh wait, I need that. And boom! Home Depot messed up my cut, so I have to measure these out and cut them again. These are the brackets I'll be using to brace the shelves into the wall with some anchors so that they don't go anywhere. When you're dealing with the toddler's bedroom, you want to definitely make sure you don't skip this step. It is very important. You don't want them climbing up and accidentally getting the whole thing toppling over on them. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm making sure to anchor it into the wall and then screw it into the shelves. It's not going anywhere. Boom! Here are the brackets I'll be using. So I'm anchoring again into the wall so that they don't go anywhere. Always make sure your shelf is level. Now I'm measuring the space to add the curtain rods. And I'm doing it again on this side. So I changed my design a little bit. I'm adding only 3 shelves instead of 4. You guys will see why. Decided to paint a stripe to cover the spackle. So I'm legit using 50 cents paint from Walmart, y'all. I've actually used this before and it lasts. I mean, it's not going anywhere where there's a lot of traffic, so it should be okay.
We are building Lillian's closet. I'm gonna make these cuts real quick. Safety first.
Yeah. Yeah!
Just like that.
We are ghetto. We don't have a pencil outside, so we're using a rock. Improvision.
DIY secrets. So what do you want? 20 and what?
20 and 5/8.
Huh?
Big shout out to Lucas for getting us these cuts. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our trim pieces. We're using a nail gun. The nail gun leaves a little tiny hole in the front, but we can always pack that up with some caulk. Since we didn't get shelves with a finished edge, this just adds a clean look to our final product. Okay, so now we just have to go ahead and decorate and put everything back in.
Whoa.
Oh!
Oh my god, this is not the same closet.
Do you like it?
Oh,
Do you like it, Lily? If you guys are wondering about the reading nook, I will post that in a separate video.
This is grandma.
Rochelle, this is good. That's your grandma.
How did you do that? Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, and look at all the pictures. Oh!
This is incredible. This is incredible.
Are you surprised?
Rochelle, I did not expect this at all. What? All of our closets.
Lucas said he's hiring me for the rest of the house.
Look at the pink line.
This is crazy. Yeah, look at those pictures and stuff. Wow.
This is Rachael. This is I'm speechless. This is way past.
You like it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's the lotions you were looking for.
Oh yeah, I need some right now. My fingers are ashy.
So all in all, this project came in at $131.02. As I said, the reading nook will be in a later video.
If you're still here, go ahead and comment below. International Coffee Day! I'm so pleased with how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Find me on IG, that's where I will be. Thank you so much guys for watching. And as always, may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. Bye, boos. Wow.
Oh, the pumpkin, okay. You want 2 pumpkins?
Yay! Oh.